Well, I'm back already because you guys took out that first stretch goal faster than a Suomi emptying its drum magazine. We are now doing, officially, page gilding. So traditionally, historically, on headstamp books, we've done this really cool gold page gilding. That's what we're going to do on the retail edition of Forged in Snow. But for the Kickstarter edition with the cool frozen ice white cover, we're actually going to do silver gilding on the pages instead, because we think it'll be a really cool contrast to go along with the white and silver embossed foil on the cover. So that's really cool. Then the next stretch goal that we have lined up is an additional extra section, a biographical section on Simo Häyhä, who is renowned as the most famous and successful sniper of all time. Now, this is a book about Finnish small arms, so we were and are absolutely going to have a section on the rifle that Häyhä used. That would be the M2830. Of course, it's got its own significant section in the book, but if we make it to that next stretch goal, we'll go ahead and throw in a full biographical section about who he was and what he did and what his long-term significance has been for the Finnish armed forces. I'm looking forward to that. I'm pretty sure we're going to hit that one, but that is up to you guys. So stay tuned, stick around, and let's see how far we can take this. Thanks.